The USB Windows Repair Tool is an essential gadget for anyone facing boot issues or needing to reinstall Windows, offering a comprehensive solution with its bootable 64GB USB drive. This device supports multiple Windows versions, including the latest Windows 11, 10, 8.1, and 7, ensuring compatibility across a wide range of systems. It includes a video tutorial for beginners, making it accessible for users who may not be familiar with booting from a USB drive, and supports both UEFI and Legacy modes. Beyond just reinstalling Windows, it offers various repair tools such as password recovery, network drive setup, and data recovery, which are invaluable for troubleshooting. The USB drive provides a safe environment to back up your data before proceeding with any repairs, offering peace of mind for those worried about data loss. With its robust features and support, the USB Windows Repair Tool is an excellent investment for anyone looking to maintain or troubleshoot their computer efficiently.